Yeah, so if this is a rectangle, then angle P would have to be 90 degrees. Because we tell you in the problem that PONE is a parallelogram. So I know that all the angles, opposite angles, excuse me, are going to be congruent to each other. So if I can prove one of the angles to be 90 degrees, I can get this angle to be 90 degrees. And then I know consecutive angles are supplementary, so I can get this angle to be 90 degrees, and I can get this angle to be 90 degrees. So whenever you're trying to prove an angle is 90 degrees, what you need to do if you have three side lengths is just try the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So here you have the legs, and here you have the hypotenuse. If you do the Pythagorean theorem and you get a right triangle, or sorry, you get a equivalent measure of the legs to the hypotenuse, that means that P is going to be right. If you get the hypotenuse to be bigger, so if C squared is bigger, A squared plus B squared is less than C squared. Now the hypotenuse is growing, making an obtuse triangle. And if you get C squared to be smaller, so if the hypotenuse is smaller than the sum of the legs, then your hypotenuse is shrinking, and you're left with an acute triangle. Okay, a little bit of longer video there, but try it again, see if you can get it.